everyone, this is my closet. Another beautiful day out here in Arizona, so no complaining here. I hope the weather where you live is getting better and you're enjoying and you're able to get outdoors. And please leave me a comment like what you guys do on the weekend, what fun things you have in your towns, and if I were to travel there, what would I enjoy doing? So I today am first time with this box is the Beautyfix Dermstore, and I believe I ordered this off of Ella's channel because she does some great unboxings. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like this video. If you're returning, as always, thank you for your loyalty. And I watch some great YouTubers, and I'm learning makeup tricks and hair tricks and all sorts of things. So I just love the YouTube world. And if you just subscribe, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I do all sorts of unboxings: clothing, jewelry, lifestyle, makeup, and beauty. And this boutique box is a monthly subscription. I will leave the link and how much it cost. I want to say it was like $29.99, and I can't remember if there was any shipping. So you open it up, and this month is Planes, Trains, and Beauty. And then there's some discounts if you order certain products. So the first thing is by Ursa Major 4-in-1. It's a face wipe. It cleans, exfoliates, soothes, and hydrates. Anytime to reboot dull, tired, or oily skin. Perfect for sprucing up at the office, after a workout, or when you're on the road. So really a great purse size, travel size product. I could have used this in Mexico. The next thing is Raw Spirit Midnight Pearl. Oh, I love perfume samples. I'm not gonna open it, but I could smell it from the outside. And then there is another face wipe. And I have seen this little guy somewhere before. I don't know where. It's by Tarte, so maybe that's where I've seen it. And I'm thinking it's a highlighter or bronzer maybe, but it's a really pretty color, and it comes in a really nice case. The next thing is by Caudalie. I've seen this brand in a lot of boxes, and it's a moisturizing lotion for sensitive skin. And I don't know if it's a face or a hand, but it does smell awesome. I didn't see a price sheet in here unless I missed it. And the next thing is by Elemis, and we all know how great a brand Elemis is and how pricey they can be. Apply every morning to cleanse dry skin, and it's a Pro Definition Day Cream, anti-aging. So I'd be anxious to try that guy. The next thing, I've never seen anything so small, is Dermal Repair Cream. And it's a moisturizer. Applied twice daily to face, neck, and décolleté. And it's a sample. Now, could you guess it was a sample? I have never seen anything so small. And I don't see a price sheet in here. And the next item is Lancer Omega Hydrating Oil. Warm a few drops of oil in the palm of your hand and apply evenly to the face, neck, and décolleté. So maybe it's like a serum And I know whenever you use a serum, you're supposed to put it on before the moisturizer. This is kind of bugging me because I don't see the price sheet unless it was in that first thing. So let's open this and see. There's the directions. There goes the box. This is what it looks like. So it will definitely last you a while. I already use a couple of serums, so I probably won't use this one for a while. And I want to say this box was like $29, but I'm not sure because to be, almost on the ground. To be honest, I'm not that impressed with it. I mean, this oil is really nice, don't get me wrong, and if it works, kudos. But all these little sample sizes, and this, I don't know. So I guess it depends. I mean, the highlighter or blusher, let's see, Park Avenue Princess, Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I mean, even this isn't a full size. It's more like a sample size. Let me see. Yeah, there's like nothing in here. So if I had to give it my cactus rating, maybe a 2 cactus. And I'm pretty sure it was close to $30. And I found everything in here, so. The Omega Hydrating Oil, there's no prices in here. It just tells you what it is. And the Tarte Amazon Clay and that Dermal Repair Cream is the smallest sample I have ever seen. The Elemis, I'm definitely going to try, but again, it's just a small sample that you can probably get if you went to Macy's or somewhere. And there was the 2 face wipes. How much could those cost? And the Sorbet Cream, it's an antioxidant packed moisturizer, is perfect for daily use or on the go. And the Raw Spirit Midnight Pearl Eau de Parfum. So, what do you think? Yeah, that's what I thought. So I wasn't impressed with it. I think the unboxing I saw was definitely better than this one. Maybe they had different size boxes and I didn't get the big box, but yeah, I'm not impressed. So please leave your comments below. As I said, I always give my honest opinions of what I buy. And sometimes I only just get 1 month of a box, and this might be why, but then if you don't give it like a couple months, like the next month's box might be dynamite. So it's always hard to tell. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave me your comments and your thoughts. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you later.